Want me in the front or the back? Oh yeah. Yeah, the insurance was good, but the people that hit me, like the guy didn't have a driver's license.
Oh, okay.
So the car was in his girlfriend's name for the insurance.
Yes. You have a reservation?
Yes, for Jeremy Hudson.
If I can see your driver's license, please. So we can walk around, so we're looking for scratches longer than the length of a dollar bill, dents bigger than a golf ball size, and any cracks in the windshield.
All right, you guys, it's time for another update on the Challenger. So this morning, as you guys saw with those cinematic shots, I dropped her off at the body shop, so that way they can go ahead and begin the repairs. Again, I'm thinking it's gonna take like a week, maybe 2 weeks for the repair. And then Enterprise sent somebody to the body shop to pick me up so I can go pick up the rental. And I got the rental right in front of me, and I'll give you guys a hint as to what it is. Here it is. It is a 2020 Dodge Charger SXT. I'm actually kind of happy I got this one. They were trying to put me in like a Kia Rio or a Honda Civic, and I was like, nah. I have a Dodge Challenger, so I don't want to feel like I'm downgrading. No shots at anybody that has those cars. You know, everybody has whatever they want, but me personally, I just couldn't do it. So they gave me this one. So it's not the GT, so it doesn't have the real aggressive front end, but it still looks good. It does have the same 3.6 that the Challenger has. You can see these daytime running lights right there. They look pretty good. I believe this is the granite color. Looks pretty good. I like it. It does have the regular stock alloy wheels with Michelin's on it. 4 doors. 4 doors. It's different. Same stock alloy wheels. Come around to the back. It doesn't have any kind of spoiler on it. But we do have the racetrack tail lights, which look really cool. That's one thing that I find kind of about these cars is when you're coming up on the highway at night and there's a car in front of you, you can't tell if it's a Charger or a Dart, but it still looks good. It does have a quad exhaust. It's real quiet. Kind of reminds me of what the Challenger sounded like before I made her just super loud. Same thing around this side. So it looks pretty basic, pretty stock on the outside. But what I really like about this one is the inside. That is where the majority of the changes are between this car and the Challenger that I have. So first things first, this one does have a freaking sunroof, which I love. Opening up, look at that. We do got leather seats, perforated leather. It feels so good. It is heated, it is ventilated. So here in Texas, that comes in handy. Got the gauge cluster over there. Your pedals, your lights, steering wheel. The font, of course, is different than the Challenger. I kind of like the Challenger's a little bit better, but this does still look nice. It's got the same kind of radio that the Challenger has. Coming down here, shifter. The cup holder's right here. I like how this slides. You got the armrest here with your center console. I do already have my USB in there, so I can have my Apple CarPlay hooked up. And then the back seats. Check this out, back seats. You have a door to get to. Back here, same thing. You got your seat controls for the ventilated. I don't know if it's heated or ventilated back here, but you also got USB ports. You got the nice leather. So it's really nice. A really nice rental. I will I'll definitely be happy with this. All right, so let's go ahead and put this baby into drive. And now, here we go. So, it definitely does feel weird with how quiet it is, because I'm so used to the Challenger just being super loud. But I really like this. I like the sunroof, everything right here. I like it, and it rides really good. I mean, these tires have huge sidewalls, so I'd kind of expect it to ride good. But so I really like this, and I'll be sure to enjoy it. But the Challenger is in the shop, and she's gonna be in there for a minute. So I will update you guys whenever I hear something, whenever that will be. Hopefully she's not in there too long, because as nice as this Charger is, I do miss my baby. So thank you guys for watching. Be sure to like this video if you liked it, and also be sure to subscribe for new videos every single week. And drop a comment down below. Let me know if you guys prefer the Charger or the Challenger. And until my next video, take care and be safe. Peace.